Now I've been working with this handsaw for a little while. It's pretty neat. It's got an ergonomic design and it's got a 12-inch blade. So let's test it out on this is a Chinese privet tree. I'm going to test it out and see how well it cuts. Nope. Getting pinched up. There we go. And then all in all, it didn't cut too bad. It kind of cut like my Baco Latlander. Now, one of the cool features about this thing is that you could use any kind of 12-inch or 9-inch reciprocating saw blade on here to change out. It's got a little screw right here on this side. You just pop this dude out and you just put a new saw blade in. Now, like I said, there's a little screw right here that you just unscrew. Watch that nut on the back side right there. Put your finger over it. Take your blade and pop it out. And just pop in your new blade. Put your screw in there. And you have a new blade on your saw now. Now, of course, it cut a little bit smoother because it didn't have that long section over there pinching it all up, but it's a very handy tool to have in case your blade bends. You can just swap out the handle. Now we're going to take this blade and see if we can get some of these fat wood shavings lit. It's been raining all day yesterday, so I don't have any real dry tinder. So let's see what we can do. There we go. Oh, went out. There we go. Got us a nice little fire from a ferro rod. And now you could use some of your damper tinder to start your fire. Now, over the years, I've used various different folding saws. This one is very compact, and I look forward to using it on many more camping trips. You're not exactly going to cut a whole cord of firewood with this thing, but it will cut anything that you need to cut.